puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha, may dilakang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na luwal at ipagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Presenting to you the Preschool Proficiency Awardees for the school year 2020 to 2021. Nursery Faith of Mrs. Athela H. Ferrer. Villesa Giuseppe Sebastian N., the son of Mr. Harold Villesa and Mrs. Sarah Joy Marilyn Villesa. Best in rhythmic activities. Belio Riona Emirs P., the daughter of Mr. Marvin Belio and Mrs. Resi Joy Belio. Best in reading. Concepcion Celine N., the daughter of Honorable Carlo Castor Concepcion and Mrs. Diane Concepcion. Best in language. Rivera Zyril Kate Y., the daughter of Mr. Ronnie Rivera and Mrs. Jael Rivera. Best in mathematics. Junior Kindergarten Charity of Mrs. Ari C. Espero. Ambrosio Adrian Nate C., the son of the late Police Captain Manuel Ambrosio and Police Executive Master Sergeant Annabel Ambrosio. Best in creative arts. Arshaga J.U. Andrix D., the son of Mr. Chito Arshaga and Mrs. Heidi Arshaga. Best in mathematics. Cacho Rafael Lorenzo, the son of Dr. Richard Ronald Cacho. Best in leadership. Cavanero Avery Briam R., the son of Engineer Dexter Cavanero and Mrs. Mercy Cavanero. Best in rhymes, songs, and poems. Dainla Manifords Bilzon A., the son of Mr. Ferdinand Dainla and Attorney Juji Dainla. Most cooperative. Isma Vin Diesel B., the son of Mr. Jose Isma and Ms. Roel Syke Belisario. Most confident. Honor Eyes Razor Meek L., the son of Mr. Michael Honor and Mrs. Sherlyn Honor. Best in computer. Latoga Christian A., the son of Mr. Lester Jen Latoga and Dr. Kathleen Agnes. Best in language. Miss Peros Yuan Avery L., the son of Miss Jacqueline L. Nisperos. Best in rhythmic activities. Kabatu Athena Raven A, the daughter of Engineer Benedict Kabatu and Mrs. Joy Liza Kabatu. Best in science. Cortez Mia Danica Crizel M, the daughter of Mr. Danilo Cortez and Mrs. Maricel Cortez. Best in reading. Montilla Leah Alexis Clark I, the daughter of Mr. Alan Montilla and Mrs. Karen Melissa Montilla. Most attentive. Sabado Zyler Shane B, the daughter of Mr. Darwin Sabado and Mrs. Babylin Sabado. Best in writing. Junior Kindergarten Humility of Mrs. Ari C. Espero. Al-Alawi Abdullah Faiz M, the son of Mr. Faiz Hamed Al-Alawi and Miss Milagros Millares. Best in writing. Athi Dhruv C, the son of Mr. Rahul Athi and Mrs. Ranjana Athi. Best in leadership. Avasilia Luke Jendrick M, the son of Mr. Mandrick M. Avasilia and Miss Jennifer M. Ignacio. Best in computer. Bagni Edric Jeremiah N, the son of Mr. Eduardo Bagni Jr. and Mrs. Fevi Bagni. Best in language. Katbagan James Andre M, the son of Mr. Mark Steve Gallardo and Miss Antoinette Joy Katbagan. Best in mathematics. Dukusin Christian Gian Riley M, the son of Mr. Christian Art Dukusin and Mrs. Sharon Dukusin. Most cheerful. Ganyulav Andrew Hudson, the son of Reverend Andrew Stephen Ganyulav and Mrs. Ruth Ganyulav. Most obedient. Rodriguez Stephen S, the son of Mr. Don King Rodriguez and Mrs. Cherry Rodriguez. Best in reading. Sikat Jaime Luis C, the son of Mr. Ryan Anthony Sikat and Mrs. Rhea Sikat. Best in science. Soriano Antonio Emanuel C, the son of Mr. Gilbert Soriano and Mrs. Maria Rosario Soriano. Best in creative arts. William Marcus Joaquin V, the son of Mr. Mark John Villa. Best in rhymes, songs, and poems. Villanueva Lee Giro N, the son of Mr. Jerome Villanueva and Mrs. Jebeline Villanueva. Most cooperative.